My name is Lang Nguyen. I come from China. I'm passionate about my Chinese food, Thai work. Well, I found here is a lot of people on this area. We asked the local people, would you like some Chinese food in this area? They told me it's gonna be very popular on here. We have very popular dish on crispy chili chicken and traditional kung pao chicken. It's tiny bit spicy. Also, it's the original traditional sweet and sour chicken. My favorite is shopping here, like my clothes, my grocery in this supermarket.